Hey guys, it's Caleb sitting inside of a C8 Chevrolet Corvette. Now this was just a recent trade-in, but I'm going to be showing you how to use the heads-up display on it. So let's hop right in. As I flip us around, now you're in your cabin. I've got the top off, quite nice. But your options are going to be over here on the left of the steering wheel, and you're going to be able to see it through the dash down there. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom it in a little bit so we can see it. So over here on the left, we've got the HUD. So this will be able to raise and lower the level. So you can adjust it wherever you need, height-wise, depending on where you're sitting. That'll depend on your seat adjustments. And then you have info. So as I press info, you'll be able to see the different options. And it's pretty animated, which is awesome. Now, of course, it's flashing, but you'll be able to see the revs throughout. You got a couple different options. You got navigation, just your park. So you have 4 total options. There's your rev, tachometer, and it even says G's, which is cool for the track, and then just normal with your revs. But pretty cool, and then of course back to simplistic. Thank y'all again for watching. I'll see y'all next time.